Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This time I'm just having a little walk at night. I think this looks like a history of Chai tea. It's very nice. Let's keep on walking. It's quite a cold night because it started raining today. I mean, the whole day it was raining, but right now it stopped. But yeah, it's quite cold, especially in a hot country like Singapore. These days are quite cold. It's almost 11 p.m. at night, and it's quite peaceful tonight. There's not much sound, and it's quite late too. Look at that bicycle, man. That's a small bicycle. I don't even know how he sits. I don't know how he can be comfortable sitting in that small little bike. Oh, I see some fire. Look at that. You don't normally see a fire in Sri Lanka. I mean, sorry, in Singapore. Look at that. And it's surrounded by a metal fence, as you can see. I think this is because of the Chinese New Year. They're doing some prayers around here. When I first came around this place, people were praying. And this is part of the Chinese New Year prayers. Just go a bit closer here. Wow, it's really warm, really hot. So let's go. It's really nice to walk out when in the night time. You really feel fresh, and there's not much people. It's really fun. I like it. That's a nice dog right there. I think that dog is kind of remind me from the dog from Tintin right there. I'm not exactly sure, but I think so. I got some good videos coming up 2 days from now. It's gonna be great. So you guys better get ready for that. That's a nice content coming up soon. So in these videos, most of the past few videos I've been just doing it in my neighborhood around here. But the next videos coming up is going to be a bit in a different location. So you guys gonna like that. Stay tuned for that. Came to a red light. I forgot to press the button again. Still waiting. Okay, now it's up. Green man up. Let's go. Get the green man. I'm almost home. Almost there. Here we go. Looks like the kids are enjoying a nice smoke, a nice drink. Yeah, that's what's up. Alright guys, it's gonna be the end of the video. I'm almost home. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. The ones coming up next is almost gonna be the same, but I'm gonna be taking videos on a different location. So it's gonna be fun. I hope you guys can come along to see my videos. And yes, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and try to watch as much as possible. And yeah, just support the channel, man. All right, take care. Peace.